Stormboard, a product review by Evie Trung. History. In 2009, Stormboard was founded and created by Reg Chermy and Michael Bowman in Canada. Before the name change, the brand was called Eddystorm, a collaboration of Thomas Edison and Brainstorm. In the year 2013, the new name was established as Stormboard, a collaboration of the phrases brainstorm and whiteboard. Stormboard has over 500,000 users and is used in over 5,000 companies. What is Stormboard and why should Stormboard be used? Stormboard's mission is to remove all barriers for turning ideas into actions, leading to outcomes that will change the world. Stormboard is an app and a database that allows for its users to use a platform that creates a whiteboard and sticky note effect. The database allows students to write on its platform and receive feedback on their work. Stormboard is also used as a multi-sharing platform where multiple users can view other users' profile. Stormboard also allows its users to have a master calendar where dates can be updated continuously to where the shared calendar can be viewed through multiple users. This would be great for teachers to display due dates and upcoming assignments for their students. Stormboard also has amenities such as posting photos, brainstorming, planner applications, and a voting tool. Audience. The audience that would benefit from this product are all students, but those who have a hearing or speech impairment would also benefit from this product. The platform provides multiple properties that would benefit those who are speech and hearing impaired. The specs are created to where profiles, work, and brainstorming can be shared and become multi-user. This is beneficial because the students can connect to their teachers via Stormboard, and on top of that, students can also connect with other students. For group work and interaction, this is possible because of Stormboard's amenities. Review. Students can communicate with their teachers and other peers through Stormboard without actually speaking. This would benefit those with speech impairment. Teachers can upload due dates and assignments via Stormboard, and students have access to an online planner and calendar. Students can share their work and brainstorming thoughts through Stormboard and have the ability to share their work and ideas with other users. Students who have a hearing or speech impairment can use this tool to successfully communicate with those around them, and this tool can help all students stay connected with each other. Pricing. Yes, Stormboard does cost money, but for educators and students, Stormboard is free. Recommendation. Yes, I would recommend Stormboard to be used in classrooms, especially classrooms that have students who have a speech impairment or hearing impairment. Why? Because a huge lack for these impairments is a lack of communication, and communication is key. The platform provides so many different gateways for the students to connect with their teacher and their peers. These amenities include a note-taking system, a calendar, a planner/to-do list, photo sharing, voting tool, and a place to brainstorm. I know what you're thinking. How could it get any better? Well, it does. Stormboard allows for all its amenities to be available under multi-user. This means students and teachers can share, comment, and work together all under one platform. Wrapping it up, Stormboard would be an amazing tool in classrooms. Thank you.